Additional sentences with the word thrashing with a similar meaning. 1. The underdog team gave a surprising thrashing to the defending champions, beating them 4-0 in the final match. Meaning, the underdog team decisively defeated the defending champions, winning 4-0 in the final match. 2. The company's stock value plummeted after a series of poor financial reports, resulting in a thrashing on the stock market. Meaning, the company's stock value suffered significant losses after a series of poor financial reports, experiencing a severe decline on the stock market. 3. The incumbent mayor faced a humiliating thrashing at the polls, losing by a wide margin to the young, charismatic candidate. Meaning, the incumbent mayor experienced a humiliating and decisive defeat at the polls, losing by a wide margin to the young, charismatic candidate. 4. The once dominant team's performance has declined significantly this season, leading to a series of thrashings against their rivals. Meaning, the once dominant team's performance has declined significantly this season, resulting in a series of decisive and severe losses against their rivals. 5. The film received a thrashing from critics, with many reviews highlighting its weak plot and unconvincing performances. Meaning, the film was heavily criticized by critics, with many reviews pointing out its weak plot and unconvincing performances. Additional sentences with the word thrashing with a similar meaning. 6. The tennis player suffered a thrashing in the final match, losing to his opponent in straight sets, 6-0, 6-0. Meaning, the tennis player experienced a severe and decisive defeat in the final match, losing to his opponent in straight sets, 6-0, 6-0. 7. The boxing champion delivered a ruthless thrashing to his challenger, knocking him out in the first round. Meaning, the boxing champion decisively defeated his challenger, knocking him out in the first round. 8. The soccer team's defense was in disarray, leading to a humiliating thrashing by their rivals, with a final score of 7-1. Meaning, the soccer team's defense was in chaos, resulting in a humiliating and decisive defeat by their rivals, with a final score of 7-1. 9. The basketball team's lackluster performance resulted in a thrashing by their opponents, who scored more than double their points. Meaning, the basketball team's poor performance led to a decisive defeat by their opponents, who scored more than double their points. 10. The debate team received a thrashing in the regional competition, with their arguments being easily countered by the opposing team. Meaning, the debate team suffered a decisive defeat in the regional competition, as their arguments were easily refuted by the opposing team.